The internet is constantly evolving. New technologies emerge every day, some fizzle out while others become game changers. Clonzey AI falls firmly in the second category. This revolutionary tool promises to change how we create and launch websites. Imagine this: cloning any website in just 60 seconds. That's the power of Clonzey AI. Clonzey AI isn't just a catchy name, it's a statement. Building a website has always been a time-consuming process, often requiring technical expertise. Clonzey AI throws those barriers out the window. It empowers anyone to create a website quickly. No coding experience needed, no design skills required, just pure, unadulterated website cloning power at your fingertips. In a world dominated by online presence, Clonzey AI emerges as a beacon of simplicity and speed. But what lies beneath this bold claim? Let's dive in and explore the ins and outs of Clonzey AI. At its core, Clonzey AI is a website cloning tool. That means it replicates existing websites. You input a URL and Clonzey AI creates a pixel-perfect copy. But it's not just about copying, it's about empowering you. You can customize the clone to your liking. Think of it as a master baker. You provide the recipe, the website URL. Clonzey AI bakes the cake, clones the website. Then you can add your own frosting, sprinkles, and decorations, customizations. This includes changing colors, fonts, images, and text. But Clonzey AI goes beyond. It also takes care of the technical side. It hosts your cloned website, meaning your website has a home on the internet. No need to worry about servers or technical jargon, and there's more. Clonzey AI can even generate content for your website. This includes text, images, and even videos. This makes it even easier to get your website up and running quickly. Traditionally, building a website was like constructing a house. You needed blueprints, design, materials, content, and skilled labor developers. It was a time-consuming and often expensive process. Clonzey AI flips the script. It's like buying a pre-built house. You can move in immediately, then redecorate and furnish it to your liking. This makes website creation significantly faster and more accessible. Small businesses and entrepreneurs often struggle with limited resources. Clonzey AI levels the playing field. It provides them with a powerful tool to establish a strong online presence. They no longer need to rely on expensive developers. But Clonzey AI is not just for beginners. Even seasoned web developers can benefit from its speed and efficiency. It allows them to quickly create prototypes and test ideas. Clonzey AI is a versatile tool that caters to a wide range of users and needs. Let's witness the magic of Clonzey AI firsthand. Imagine you stumble upon a website with a design that resonates with you. You want to emulate it for your own project. With Clonzey AI, this is how you do it. First, go to the Clonzey AI website. Paste the URL of the website you want to clone into the designated field. Click the clone button, then sit back and watch. Within 60 seconds, Clonzey AI works its magic. Once the cloning process is complete, you'll be redirected to the Clonzey AI editor. Here you can customize your cloned website to your heart's content.